In this video, we are going to see about Information and Communication Technology, Paper 3, Data Analysis from May June 2022, Paper 32. So first we are going to see about Spreadsheet. Yes. Task 2, Spreadsheet. We are going to create a spreadsheet for Tawara Wildlife Trust to display data about funding for their global conservation projects. The amount each project costs is paid in the local currency of the country where the project is running. Tawara Wildlife Trust record their finance in Tawara dollars, so each cost must be converted into this currency. Display the Tawara currency as dollar to the two decimal places. Do not edit the data files provided unless the instructed to do so. So first open and question number 1. Open and examine the files J2232 costs.csv, J2232 currency.csv and J2232 project.csv in a spreadsheet package. So first we want to open and we want to examine all these three files. So open the folder, and this is a folder. First open cost. So it will take time to open. So see, all the files are, the data are not fully visible, so we want to adjust. So see, in A1 it's Tawara Wildlife Trust expenditure. It is visible in all the things, so we want to adjust. So move your mouse near to the A and B and just move like this. Yes. Next open the second file, currency. This also is not fully visible. Country exchange rate is not fully visible. Yes. Next project, open the project. It's not, yes, project name is not fully visible. So now it is okay. Now place in the J2232 cost file left align in the header your name, center number and candidate number, and right align in the header the automated file name and the file path. So first you want to go to before project, see the project is not fully visible. Yes. Now go to the cost file, go to the insert, go to header and footer. On the left align you want to type your name, center number and candidate number. On the right align they are asking automated file name and file path. On right align just click this, under the design they are asking file name and file path. Yes. Now save this as a spreadsheet with the file name cost underscore followed by a center number underscore candidate number. So you want to save in this format. The capital C should be there. So cost, go to the, click any one of the cell, go to the view, go to the normal, go to the file, save as, current folder, the name should be capital C, COSTS underscore followed by your center number underscore followed by your candidate number. The type should be Excel workbook. Save. See, in this project where code is not fully visible, project name is not fully visible, number is not visible, cost in local currency, these are the things are not fully visible. And one more thing, in the beginning of the question paper, they mention Tawara currency as dollar to two decimal places. So, what are the values we are giving under this H column? It should be currency with the two decimal places. So, we are going to set this. So, select this, right click, format cells, currency, two decimal places, and we want to give dollar symbol United States. United States. Click OK. So what are the values you are given? It will be in a dollar and two decimal places. So question number 1 finish. Enter a formula in cell C5 to look up the project name using the project code. So we want to enter a formula in C5. Okay, we want to enter the value formula in C5. The lookup value will be the project code. So equal we lookup, open the bracket, go to function f of x, lookup value will be t1 and table array will be project, this one. Select this and column index, see the project name, it is in column 2. So we want to give 2, project name 2, and range lookup will be false. Click OK. So it will come like this. It's not fully visible, so you want to make. So now I'm going to duplicate all the values just like this. With the help of your mouse, you want to do. So the value will come now. See, the values are not fully visible, so I'm going to make like this. Yes. So we finish this. Enter a formula in cell G5 to display the ISO of the currency for the country display in D5. So what they are saying, in G5 they are asking local currency ISO from the lookup value country from currency table. They are asking currency, but the lookup value is country. So we cannot use the VLOOKUP. We want to use the lookup for this. So go to the local currency, equal lookup, and select the f of x, and it should be lookup value, lookup vector, result vector. Okay. So lookup value will be the country. We are not in the lookup table, we are not taking the country. The lookup value, we are not taking the country, we are taking the IOS. So we cannot use the VLOOKUP. We want to use the lookup, only lookup function. So the lookup vector. So in this table, the lookup vector is country, because the lookup code we are given in that from the table is country. And the result vector should be ISO from the currency table, like this. Okay, see, I'll say one more time. So in the question paper they are asking enter a formula cell in G5 to display the ISO of the currency. So they are asking to display ISO, this one, AFN, AL or DSD. for the country display in cell D5. So in D5 the country, so this is the lookup value. So for this lookup value we want to take this as the lookup value, and we want to display this ISO value. So we are using the lookup function, not VLOOKUP. We want to use the lookup function if they are asking like this. So lookup value we already give D5, lookup vector this one Afghanistan country, you want to select the country because we give the country code, country as the lookup value. So this is the lookup vector and this is the result. We need this as the result, AZAL. So we are giving the result vector like this and click OK. So the value will come like this. Now expand the value, replicate. Now see the formula top, I am selecting this. Can you see dollar symbol? This is the absolute reference. It will replicate. Now cost in, next we finish this. Now enter a formula in cell H5 to calculate the cost in Tawara dollars by dividing the value in the cost in local currency. So what they are asking? They are asking we want to divide this value from the lookup. So equal F5 divided by, we want to use the lookup f of x, and lookup value as usual country, and lookup vector go to the currency, and lookup vector will be country, and the lookup value they are asking the rate, this one. Wrong. So lookup vector should be this one, Afghanistan country, and select the result vector. Now go to the currency again and select the value from this. Like this and click OK. Now see the value will come like this. Now we are going to expand the, replicate the value. Yes. So we finished this. So replicate the formula, we did this. Now merge the cell A1 to H1. So merge the cell A1 to H1. So select from A1 to H1 like this. Go to the home, click merge and center, and click this center one like this. Yes. Insert the new row between 3 and 4. So we want to insert the new row between 3 and 4. Select the 4, right click, insert. Insert the new row between row 1 and 2. So between row 1 and 2, select the 2, right click, insert. So we insert the new row between 3 and 4. Sorry, we did a mistake. Control Z. Select the 3 and insert. No. Insert. Select the 4 and insert. Insert. Yes. Yes, like this. So format row 1 to 6 like this. So like this we want to format. So I'm going to give this as a bigger. Just I'm going to expand like this, and I'm going to give it a bigger. and I'm going to give Arial bold, and I'm going to give the black color background. I'm going to give the white color text like this. And next two, they are making this one shorter like this, more like this. 5 they are making 5 they are making like this. So we made the some mistake. Control X and paste on the Control V and make the 5 smaller like this. And next first quarter should be bold. It should be bold, these two lines, and we want to minimize the date to this. Yes, and these full or will be in wrap, not wrap text. Make it as here center and make it as here bold. So project code they are making the wrap text. Select the project code, click the wrap text and make it as a small and make it as a bigger like this. Project name, country, all are in the center. Cost in local currency should be like this. So select the cost in local currency, make it as here like this. Select the wrap text and make like this. Local in currency. Select this, select the wrap text, it should be centered both and it will become like this. Cost in Tavara, select the wrap text and cost yes like this. And local currency also should be like this. Yes. Now save your spreadsheet. Save the spreadsheet. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. We want to show the formulas. For that, go to the formulas, show formulas like this. It will come bigger, so we can adjust the columns. Project code, it is okay. Country should be smaller. Order number, cost in local currency. So while using taking the printout formulas, no need for the wrap text. And date we can move this. No, because it will be here. So costing should be bigger. It's not fully visible. It's like this. Yeah. Now it is in landscape orientation. So take the print, go to the file, go to the print. It should be landscape. Next, the row and column headings are displayed. So go to the page setup, fit to one, go to margin, sheet, row one column headings. If they are asking big lines, you want to give big lines. So like this, it will come. So if you want sheet, if you go for the grid lines. So we want to take the print. So print the spreadsheet showing the values. We want to show only the values. So go to the formulas and take the show formulas and it will come like this. So date should be visible, project code should be visible, country should be visible, order number should be visible, Cost in local currency. How they are asking in the table like this. Cost in local currency like this it should be. Lo- Local currency ISO. Local currency ISO like this. And cost in Tawara dollars also like the cost in like this. Now we want to take the print page with fits on a single landscape page. It should be in a landscape page. So go to the file, print, landscape, page size like this. Go to the page setup, sheet. You want to give 100% and remove grid lines and like this. Like this, you want to take the printout and select the printer and give the print. Yes. Sort the date into the date order with the oldest date first. Okay. So select the date, go to the home, sort oldest to newest. Just click this. Now see, it will be in the oldest to newest 16, 1, 2, 3, like this it will come. After that, extract only the data where the country is Indonesia or Malaysia. So we are going to use the filter. So select the country, go to sort and filter, go to filter, select the country arrow and select all Indonesia and select only the Malaysia. Click OK. So only this value will come. Now print the spreadsheet extract showing the values. So go to the file, print, printout fit on a single landscape page. So landscape page, page setup, adjust to 100. Contents are fully visible. Yes, contents are fully visible and you can select the printer and you can give the print. Now remove the extract selection criteria so all the data is visible. Sort the data into the ascending order of country. Now we want to remove the sort and filter. So just click the filter, all the values will come as usual. Now sort the data in the ascending order of country. So select the country, go to sort A to Z like this. So see, it will be in the ascending order. Extract only the data where ISO is EUR and the date is before March 2022. So go to the sort, go to the filter. It should be only EUR. Go to text filter. EUR capital. You want to give capital EUR and it should be, and they are asking before means less than, and date is before March 2022, less than, not like this. Click OK. So we gave like this and it should be before March. Just remove this one and click OK. So only three values will become. So you want to print in the landscape orientation. So go to the file, go to the print. Just already landscape orientation, page setup should be 100. Adjust to 100, click OK and select the printer and give print. Yes. So if you do this, you will get the 46 marks. So this is a video about paper 3 data analysis from May June 2022 paper 32.